In this tutorial, we will learn how to find the area of a rectangle. We will also determine the formula to calculate the area of a rectangle and solve an example.
Welcome to Home Campus, the Singapore Maths YouTube channel. Here you will learn math concepts in a fun and easy way. Please click on the like and subscribe button below. By subscribing, you will be notified when we upload new math videos. If you want us to solve your homework questions, leave a comment down below. Alright, now let's dive straight into this tutorial.
To understand what we mean by the area of a rectangle, we will use an example. So here is a rectangle. Its length is 4 centimeters and its breadth is 2 centimeters. When we say what the area of this rectangle is, what we are actually saying is how many 1 centimeter squares can fit into this rectangle. A 1 centimeter square is a square whose sides are 1 centimeter long. This is a 1 centimeter square. Now, we take 1 centimeter squares and lay them next to each other in this rectangle. Let's see how many of these squares can fit into this rectangle. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 squares. So we can fit 8 1 centimeter squares in this rectangle, and therefore the area of this rectangle is 8 centimeters square. Now, if we look closer, we can see that there are 4 squares in each row, and that's because the length of this rectangle is 4 centimeters. Similarly, there are 2 squares in each column, which is because the breadth of the rectangle is 2 centimeters. So, if we simply multiply the length of the rectangle by its breadth, then we will have the area of the rectangle. This helps us to derive the formula to calculate the area of a rectangle. So, the area of a rectangle is the product of its length and breadth. In this case, the area of the rectangle is 4 times 2 or 8 centimeters square. Let's now solve a problem. Caroline wants to build a wall as shown below. What will be the area of the wall she builds? So here's the wall that she plans to build. It is 5 meters long and 4 meters high. We can see that the wall is shaped like a rectangle. Here, the length of the rectangle is 5 meters and the width, which in the case of a wall is referred to as the height, is 4 meters. Then the area of the rectangular wall will be 5 meters times 4 meters, which is equal to 20 meters square. Meter square is the unit of area. So, remember that the area of a rectangle is the product of its length and breadth. That brings us to the end of this tutorial with Home Campus Singapore Math. Head over to homecampus.com.sg to practice questions on the area of rectangles. Website is linked in the description below.